power drain, hard reset. You may recall your IT provider asking you to do this before, but why? Well, there's a good reason for it. Before you start replacing hardware or reinstalling software, you always want to rule out one very common issue: a laptop getting stuck in a bad power state. This may just be the golden fix you're looking for. So here's what you need to do. Disconnect everything from the laptop. Charger, dock, USB cables, everything connected to the device. Then hold down the power button for 30 seconds, no less. What this does is drain residue power from the system and resets the laptop's embedded controller, the low-level hardware system responsible for charging, USB devices, power management, and startup behavior. Modern laptops don't always fully shut down. Sometimes they get stuck between sleep, hibernation, and powered states, especially after updates or docking issues. That alone can cause black screens, charging problems, USB devices not working, or the laptop refusing to turn on properly. After 30 seconds has passed, reconnect the charger and start the laptop normally. It sounds dead simple, but this resolves a surprising number of issues. So the next time you feel like you've had a dead end, give this a go. It may just be the eureka moment you've been hoping for.